Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about Cypress Hello World test. So first of all, for testing we need one website. So I'm going to show the website, WebDriver University, and click the first link. Here you can click the contact us. We are going to run the Hello World program with this website only. Copy the URL, go to the code, and inside I'm going to create a new file called democy.js. First of all, I'm going to import Cypress. For this, I'm going to copy from here, and we have copy and paste here. Next, we have to create describe, and we have to mention here the test name. So this describe API is used to describe the description of the test. Here, contact form success and give your function. Inside this, we have to write our test case. It and success. Here we have to run the function. First, we have to visit the website. For that, cypress.visit, and here I need to provide the URL which I copied previously and pasted. Next, if we trigger the test npx cypress open, it will trigger the test. I'm going to click end-to-end test, Chrome browser, and trigger the test. Next, we have to select the spec file which we have created. So we have created a file named called demo. We can see here demo. Till now we have just visited the particular page. So you can see here the page has been appeared here. Next, we have to enter the name and check whether the validation is happening correct or not. For that, I'm going to click this inspect tool and click this. So I got the correct copied attributes below, and type this is another API similar to visit and get. So with this type, we have to give the name Bharat, and next if we go to here, and if we select here, we can see the last name attributes, and we can copy this attribute and paste next to the first one, and here type name. Next, I need to copy the email address. So click and get the email address attribute perfectly, and paste next to the last name and type. We have to give the value again. So Bharat at gmail.com. Next, we have to provide the commands. So here also we have to copy the commands attribute and paste here. Type Provide your months. I'm going to provide simply OK. Next, after giving all those input, finally we have to click reset or submit. To validate the form, we have to click submit. So submit and the attributes has been copied. Visit here and type click. Normally, normally we can write multiple tests inside a description. So I'm going to write another test which is going to failure. So here I'm going to remove the at symbol and .com. We can see both tests in the Cypress now. Here you can see both test, success, failure, both go here and check. Visit. If you click on this visit, which is command we have given here. So visit, these all commands are get and click. So first visit and you can see the image of the particular command. Next first name, next last name and the value has been entered. Email and email has been entered, and here you can see comment and a comment has been entered. Next we have got the submit button and it has been clicked, and you can see here success pages coming here. So if we close the success and if we open the failure, in the same way it has visited the URL and the field entered the value, and it has been repeated for the last name field, enter the value, email and the value has been entered. Finally, it has submit and clicked, and you can see here the value thrown as a invalid email address. So this is how we have to write the simple Cypress testing spec files. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe this YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.